we've got to talk about precious metals and the commodities. We've got to. That's where the action is. That's where the money is made, in the commodities, in the mining stocks. Why do you even bother at these times trying to find the bottom in Tesla or waiting for the turnaround in Microsoft when you can make a ton of money in the commodities sector? That's where the easy money is made. In the precious metals, a new one is just breaking out. You need to know this. You need to be in this. Let's talk about it.
Welcome to Hot Trades of the Day, your show for swing trading ideas for the coming days, weeks, and month.
Okay, no time to waste. Let's jump right into the charts because we have a lot to talk about, and we're going to start with silver. Silver is starting to look better and better. So we have the break of the downtrend confirmed. Check. We are going sideways, consolidating sideways, which is really positive. Check. Because if you look at the past times when we hit this resistance zone or this resistance zone up here, this yellow line, you saw major down moves here and here, the bull trap here and here in the winter. And look what's happening now. Basically nothing. That is big strength that we need to recognize. There's strength coming up in silver. As soon as we break this yellow resistance line of 33.23 about-ish, plus minus a cent. So if we basically close above 33.25 and we confirm the breakout, party time in silver. Now, gold. All right, gold has been the star of 2025. Silver has the better performance, but gold is the star. And that's usually how it always is. It catches all the headlines, it catches all the action, and that's okay. It seems like there is absolutely no stopping gold all the way to 3,000, and that makes me a little suspicious. You look at the RSI down here, you can see we are definitely in overbought territory. We are, and I showed you this in the past, in territory where, look at this here, afterwards we had a correction move. Same here, small correction, then we had this one upsurge, and this is what I could see right now too, and then we had the correction. Here, correction move. Over here, we went up a little bit. Again, this is what I can see happening, right? Fooling more retail investors into gold, and then we have a correction. Now, how steep do I think the correction will be? I can see it go up to this area around 2,860, maybe all the way down to 42, this middle line of the uptrend, all right? So somewhere, if we draw this in real quick, we're talking this area here to here. This would be my correction area, and that's where you want to be on the buy side. Would I buy gold right now? I would not. Okay, the move is over. We played it beautifully. We were on the long side. We all made money. Fantastic. I would not buy gold right now. The risk reward, not attractive. What is attractive are the gold mining stocks, and we'll talk about those tomorrow. Because right now, we need to talk about another precious metal that looks super, super interesting. Platinum, ladies and gentlemen, it's happening. Look at this. This is big time. We broke the second level downtrend, and now we are confirming it. Now we've given up some of the gains that we saw in Asia and Europe. We will need to wait and see if they can hold. But if they hold and we don't get a big red candle, a doji, for example, or worse, then this is a big signal, because this basically then signals the end of the downtrend that has been in place since 2021. As you can see, we have tried to break this downtrend now 3 times, and we stalled out twice at this second level resistance zone, this parallel line, and now we are breaking through it. And this is big. Why? Because look at this. Look how far away platinum even is from the 2021 highs. Why gold is running from new all-time high to new all-time high. Platinum still has 30% upside just to get to the 2021 levels. And this could go really fast. Platinum is a tight market and nobody is invested in it. Nobody is talking about platinum. Everybody is talking about gold and maybe silver. And we also going to take a look at good old copper that people are starting to talk about, and that people are starting to recognize, oh, wait a minute, there's something going on here. And yes, there is, ladies and gentlemen. I've been a copper bull. We talked about this, copper breaking out. Well, look at this. It broke the downtrend from last year, and now we're at the last resistance zone. We break this zone, and we're in the process of doing this today. Today, again, strong surge in Asia and Europe. Now we need to see what happens in the US markets. If we break above this last resistance zone, it's party time for copper. I am bullish on copper. I am bullish on silver. I am bullish on gold overall, but I expect gold to take a step back. And I am super bullish on platinum. So when I expect gold to take a step back, where will the trading money go? It'll go into platinum and go into silver. And also the big money will go into copper. There's an interesting correlation in the markets where usually after a gold run, 1 year later, we see a copper run. Well, gold broke out last March. We are in February now, we're close to a year later. Coincidence that copper is breaking out? History of the stock markets tell us, no, not a coincidence. And again, with gold, now you start people talking about it on CNBC. You see it in the mainstream financial media. That is usually a sign that we're going to take a step back. Remember, 1 year ago, let's look at this chart of gold real quick, because this is an important point to make. One year ago, we were basically at 2000. So we have gone up almost 50% in gold in a year. Ladies and gentlemen, that's a gigantic move for gold. Okay, there needs to be some time of consolidation, because we haven't really seen this at all in the gold price. Yeah, we had a couple of times where we went sideways right here, and we had this consolidation. That's good, right? That took out a lot of heat, as you can see. But now, this latest move, we need to consolidate that. And it will change nothing in the overall uptrend that we're going to have in the precious metals. But it's going to mean that some other metals are going to take the lead, and some other investments. And I really, really like the gold mining stocks. We're going to talk about them tomorrow. More and more are breaking out, buying signals for invest and trading positions left and right. Man, commodity market, it's going to be easy money in 2025. Let's go get it. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.